My name is Brian Holter from New Tech Cleaning Systems, and I'm here to give you a great story about Cleanfax magazine. 100% true story, and it's fantastic. So many years ago, I had a truck mount installed in our truck from a local distributor. They did a good job with the installation, but we had a problem with the machine. We tried to resolve the problem over and over and over with this distributor, and they just would not cooperate. And it got to a point where we said, we can't do business with this distributor. Now, I'm old enough to where I can tell you, I couldn't jump on the internet because the internet wasn't around then, and you can guess my age on your own. However, I did have a copy of an old Cleanfax magazine. It was in like 1992, 1993. I found a little tiny black and white ad about a distributor down in the Carolinas that sold chemical. So even though I couldn't go back to my local distributor because of what had happened, I was able to find another chemical distributor that could sell me chemicals in a way where I felt good, and they treated me good, and it was fantastic. Later, of course, I found another local distributor that was able to help me. But without Cleanfax magazine, I would have been in a lot of trouble. I was 22, 23 years old, and without this magazine, I would not have found that little ad that would have, who knows, I could have went out of business. But because of this magazine, now we have digital, all kinds of digital options. But this is still, in my opinion, the Bible that saved our company back in the day. So if you are a cleaning or restoration contractor, this is something you guys really should have, whether it's at your location, whether it's at your home, because you're going to find valuable articles in here. You might learn things. I always say the more you learn, the more you earn. There's some contributors that contribute articles to this magazine that especially if you're a new contractor, but I will challenge even the veteran contractors that have been doing it many years like myself. Each little tidbit that you learn that makes your business a little better, makes you a better mentor to your employees, maybe makes you helps the culture of your business get a little bit better. That's the fiber that we pull out of publications like this one. And I've been doing this is my 33rd year in business. This is where it all started, guys. I would say this is something you should have for your employees to go through. It'll add fiber to the culture of your business, which is really what helps you stay in business. That's my thought. That is a true story. I hope that helps all of you. And I'm Brian from New Tech Cleaning Systems. If you have any other questions, you're always welcome to reach out and call me, and I'm happy to talk to you about it.